Welcome to Rica Subtest 1 online test preparation course presented by ricatest.com. In this section, you will learn to describe instructional strategies for teaching phonological and phonemic awareness. While taking your Rica test, you will be presented with questions that address a student's reading need, and it will be your job on test day to both identify the correct instructional strategy to help meet the student's needs and to demonstrate your understanding, your knowledge regarding the benefit of using that instructional strategy. In these upcoming slides, we will present you with the common reading issues that you can expect to see on your RICA exam, as well as the instructional strategy to be used and the benefit of using this strategy. This next section is highly important for your essay sections. This example student is having a difficult time identifying how many words are in a sentence. Now, when a student is having a difficult time identifying how many words are in a sentence, a teacher should work to strengthen the student's word awareness skills. Now, instruction will look like this. The teacher uses several index cards, each having one word written on it. The teacher creates two-word sentences like Jack walks. The teacher and the student read the sentence together. Jack walks. Then the teacher asks the student how many words are in the sentence. If the student correctly answers 2, then the teacher builds off the first sentence and adds a word to create a 3-word sentence. For example, Jack walks fast. This pattern can continue with more words and more challenging words to accommodate students' needs. Building word awareness skills helps children identify word boundaries and thereby helps them understand how many words are within a sentence. Let's look at another example. This student is having a difficult time identifying the syllables in a word. For this need, the teacher will want to build the student's syllable awareness. The instructional method to be used is that we teach children to say the multisyllabic word and clap their hands when they say it. An example could be baseball. Building syllable awareness helps children identify the syllables of a word. In this example, the student is having difficulty with compound words. For this reading need, the teacher will use word blending instruction. The teacher here will use pictures of the two parts of the compound word. For example, foot and ball. The teacher prompts the student by saying, "This is a picture of a foot and this is a picture of a ball. What do you get when you put them together?" The student says, "Football." Word blending instruction helps children see compound words visually. In this example, this student is having a challenging time reading multisyllabic words. In this case, the teacher will work on syllable blending with the student. The instructional method to teach syllable blending is when the teacher prompts the student by saying something like, "What word do we get if we put bro and there together?" And in this case, the student should reply, "Brother." Syllable blending helps students put multisyllabic words together. Now, in this example, this student is struggling to identify the sounds, syllables, and words in speech. When a student is struggling to identify the sounds, syllables, and words in speech, a teacher uses onset and rime blending. The teacher says the onset, for example, buh, and the rime, ank. And the student is tasked to say the word they make, which is bank. Onset and rime blending help students identify the parts of speech. Feeling nervous about taking your RICA test? Click the link in the description below, get full access to this RICA test prep course, and start feeling prepared for test day.